Welcome to English in a Minute from home. Right now, it is very hot in Washington, D.C. So it's a perfect time to learn this expression.
Anna, what exactly are you wearing?
Oh, this? I made a new mask. These are packs of ice. You want one?
I guess it could be nice for the dog days of summer, but no.
The dog days of summer describes the hottest time of year. This expression has a long history. Ancient Greeks and Romans used the phrase when the star Sirius, known as the dog star, appeared to rise just before the sun. That happens in late July. And that's English in a Minute.